everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Beverly here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys. I wanted to create something super wearable, kind of like an everyday makeup look. So if you guys want to see how I achieve the look, then just keep on watching. And if you guys want to be entered in this month's giveaway, then make sure that you go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. Make sure that you hit that bell button and turn your post notifications on so that you never ever miss a video. And if you live in the United States, then go ahead and comment done down below to be automatically entered. So the first thing that I did was I grabbed my Too Faced concealer and I used that as an eyeshadow primer, so I just applied it all over my eyelid, and then I went ahead and set it in place with some translucent powder. And then first I went in with this ColourPop Horse and Carriage highlighter, and I used this to highlight my brow bone. And because this highlight is super bright, I would definitely recommend it for fair skin tones if you're going to be using it on your cheeks as an actual highlighter. But because I'm more of a olive medium skin tone, I just use it to highlight my brow bone, and I feel like it works really well for that, and also my inner tear duct. The eyeshadow palette that I went in with is the Strawberry Shake palette from ColourPop, and I know we always say this in our tutorials, but I'm going to say it again. Don't feel the need to buy every single product that we mention. Definitely use eyeshadows that you have at home that are similar. The first shade that I went in with is the shade Paper Straw, and I just picked that up with a fluffier brush, and I just put that in my crease as my transition shade. Just going in back and forth motions, just really warming up the crease and getting ready to go in with deeper eyeshadows. Next I went into the shade Shake It Up, which is a little bit of a deeper mauve shade, and I picked it up with a defined angled brush, and I started to map out where I wanted to add definition in my crease. And then I went back into that shade Paper Straw just to blend that line out. So I went in back and forth motions and circular motions just to really blend it out and make sure that there are no harsh lines. And then I went into the shade Woke, which is like this matte blush tone shade, and I picked it up with a flat brush and I just packed that all over my entire lid. And these colors are so pigmented that I barely had to grab any of that eyeshadow, and it just covered up my entire lid. So they're super pigmented and creamy, and that's pretty much why I love all of these ColourPop palettes, because they just get the job done so much faster. For lashes, I went in with our Sophie Bella lashes, and for those of you guys that don't know, Sophie Bella is our lash brand. And I just want to quickly give a shout out to all of you guys that have placed orders on our website. We appreciate you guys so much. The style that I went in with is Barbados. I will always leave a link in the description box down below for those of you guys that want to check out our lashes. And I have really been loving pairing a more dramatic lash with a super simple eye look, because I feel like it just dresses the look up even more. And then I went back into that Horse and Carriage highlighter from ColourPop, and I just put that in my inner tear duct, and you guys can really see how bright that highlight really is. And then moving on to the lower lash line, I went back into that shade Paper Straw, and I just put that on my lower lash line, going in back and forth motions from inner corner to outer corner. And then I picked up the shade Shake It Up with a defined angled brush, and I just focused that shade really close to my lash line. Mainly focusing that darker shade on the outer corner, just to really open up the eye. And then I went back into that shade Paper Straw just to blend everything out. And then the last thing that I did was I grabbed some lower lash mascara just to finish off the look. And this is a finished look, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. and make sure that you subscribe. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!